Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if this is your very first time of seeing any of my videos, thank you very much for stopping by, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop a video, you'll be one of the first people to see it. Also, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. I really do appreciate that. Now, today I want to talk about one scholarship. It's actually a very popular scholarship program, but I think some people still do not know about this. And I know you all know Bill Gates and his ex-wife Melissa. They actually set up a scholarship program that benefits like thousands of people all over the world. And this program is actually called Gates Cambridge. Now, I know some of you, your mind might actually go to the University of Cambridge. Are they related? This is probably the question in your mind. Well, you're not totally wrong to think that way, because this scholarship actually aim at sending people to University of Cambridge, and all expense paid, where you have to acquire a postgraduate education. Now, if you are looking at studying abroad from any part of the world and you are looking for fully funded scholarship, like you're looking for scholarship where all your tuition fee will be paid, you'll be given stipend and even flights tickets, then this video is for you. I just want you to stick around and watch this video to the end. Now, this scholarship program, like I said, was established by Bill Gates and Melissa Gates, which happens to be like Bill Gates' ex-wife, because I think I read in the news that they have been divorced, I think, for like a few years now. But still, the foundation runs via donation. That is, people donate to this charitable cause, and this actually help millions and thousands of people all over the world to be able to acquire education at the University of Cambridge. Now, how do you become a beneficiary? Because of course there are people who have benefited from this program, and of course this program has been available for more than 2 decades, going to 3. So of course there are a lot of people who have benefited, and how can you benefit? So this is why I am here to show you this. How do you apply? Now let me show you. I would want to just go straight to showing you everything. Now, for this academic year, this is currently like ending of 2025, and application are no longer being accepted for 2025-2026 academic section. If you look at it here, they said unfortunately it is no longer possible to apply for funding for 2025-2026 entry. However, application for 2026-2027 has commenced. So as at making this video, it is less than 1 month that they commenced application. So I'm going to run through the timeline page and help you see where you are, and if you can start your application at the moment, because you have lots of ample time to do that. Now, like I said, this scholarship is actually available for 2 people. Of course, you know that Bill Gates and Melissa Gates, they are citizens of America, so they also extend this generosity to their fellow countrymen. So if you are a USA citizen and resident, that means you have a different timeline, and then other people from other countries of the world also have different timeline. So if you reside in the United States of America, you must apply on or before 15th of October. As at the moment I am making this video, application is still ongoing for American citizens. So if you are in the United States, we all know how difficult it can be to pay for tuition fee in America. People take years to pay for it. But if you want to benefit from this scholarship, you can also apply on or before 15th of October 2025. This is it here. Deadline is this Wednesday, 15th of October 2025. Then the departmental ranking is going to commence 5 days after and last through November 20. And then by December 10 on Wednesday, which is like exactly, excuse me, 2 3 months after that, 2 months after the deadline, people who were successful, who were chosen, will be announced, will be reached out to, and then there's going to be review and selection by panels, and then scholarship will be offered in February, and people have 3 days to accept. Now, but I'm not really going to focus myself on American citizens, because many of the times I'm focusing like more on third world countries, and like they always call it. So this is for you. So if you want to apply for this scholarship program, let's read this. The large majority of applicants will apply in this round, which is aligned with the university postgraduate funding competition. So first and foremost, this is strictly for postgraduate. Postgraduate, I know many of us know what's postgraduate, but it means that you have already studied and have a bachelor's degree, maybe from your home country or anywhere else. So if you do not have a bachelor's degree program, then this is not for you. But if you have a bachelor's degree program, then continue watching. This video is for you. There are 2 possible application deadlines, and they are based on the courses of which you are applying. Please apply by the course funding deadline referenced in the university course directory. So you'll find the course you're looking for here. So basically what this place is saying is that they have 2 deadlines. So it all depends on the course you're choosing. Maybe science related courses, or or social science courses, or arts, or blah blah blah. So just go through this place, you would see the courses, and they have deadlines. So please, this is very important. Now, what's the application stage? So application opens 10th of September 2025, and excuse me, application depends on the course of study that you are applying for, so we'll have to look at this later. Then departmental ranking starts from December to February. So let me go back to this deadline. Deadline is, they have 2 deadlines. They have one deadline, 2nd of December 2025 or 7th of January 2026. So as at the time of making this video, you have ample time. You have like 2 to 3 months in order to apply for this. This is really very ample time for you to apply, because really it takes you like few days to apply for scholarships. So please consider this very, very thoroughly and try to put in your application before the deadline if you are interested. But also do not forget to go through this course directory. Let me open it here. So please go through it and know which deadline you fall in. But irrespective of the deadline that you are, I think you have ample time to apply. So just like a fast one, let me just quickly move to this side. The course, look at all the course you have, postgraduates, could be this. So you said apply. You can see application for 2026-2027 academic year are open. So that means they are currently receiving application. Please go through this website very well so that you can know what to apply for. Now, departmental ranking will start from December to February 2026. So from December 2025 to February 2026, departmental ranking will take place, meaning they're just going to choose the best. Like you always know, scholarships are highly competitive. So bring in your A game. And trust me, University of Cambridge is an Ivy League school, and they don't take like, have big students and stuff like that. So you have to bring in your A game. Then review. Then all applicants notify of application outcome. So by March 2026, you would know your fate. By 4th of March 2026, you are going to know your fate, whether you have been selected or not. And then by that same March, from 23rd of March 2026, there is going to be review and application. A review and selection by panels would commence just within 2 days. So Monday, Tuesday of 23rd and 24th of March 2026, the panel will review and make their final selection. And then by April 6, 2026, scholarships will be offered, and the successful applicant has 72 hours, which is 3 days, to accept the offer or reject, as the case may be. So this is like for this particular scholarship, and it is highly competitive, like you know. But again, what happens if, for example, you do not get, like, you do not get selected? Should you be dejected? No, that's the truth, because just keep applying. You don't know which one would be successful. I have an uncle that used to say something, that you don't know which of the child or which of the leg would score the winning goal or the golden goal. So keep trying. So we also have other funding here. If you see this link, click University of Cambridge, and here you have lots and lots and lots and lots of fundings. Like, look at this, for example. You have the Master of Finance Scholarship Program. This, if you open here, you will see that the total amounts that will be awarded annually is almost 80,000 pounds, like 79,000 pounds, which covers what it covers for international fees, maintenance, student visa costs, immigration surcharge, which is like health insurance for those in the UK, and other things. So see below. So when you read this, you will see what it covers. Even flights will also be included. So you see, once you get this scholarship, you can, you can have everything else covered. Now, who is eligible to apply? Prospective applicants. So in as much as you are applying to this school, you are eligible. And the sweetest part is that you do not need any other application to qualify for this. So you need to just apply to this school, and then you are eligible. So imagine applying for this program, and you're selected, and you have everything sorted out. Man, madu. So you have a lot of scholarships. So I'm pointing you to the right direction. Like you all know, there are hundreds and thousands of people going to watch this video, and of course I'm not going to review every possible courses on this website, but I am employing you and pushing you to the right direction so that you can see for yourself and also apply. So this is the URL for the scholarship in this Cambridge, and also you can see in this Melissa Gates. This is Melissa and Bill Gates program. The URL is here, gatescambridge.org. So please explore through the website. You still have ample time. Try to put in your application. Apply for the course at the university. If you click here, which is already here. Sorry, it's already here. So apply for the course. Apply for the course, and then apply for the scholarship. And then if you apply for this scholarship, once you apply for this program, you do not need any additional scholarship, additional application, beg your pardon. So please go through all this. You can see this scholarship. You can see 65,000 pounds per annum. You can see 32 to 65,000. You can see 33 to 65,000. There are a lot of them, lots and lots of them. And the beautiful thing about this thing is that many of the scholarships are annually. So if some of them have actually closed and you actually feel you stand a chance of getting in, you can always wait for the next year intake and monitor it very well. And many of them you are going to be eligible for some. This one, for example, is a PhD program, for example, but it closes on the 4th of November. This is next year, April 2026. And then you have this one, same as funding deadline for the course. So please go through all these, and you never can say where your luck will shine. And this is what I stumbled upon, and I decided to share it. And I don't know, somebody somewhere may actually benefit from this, and this is why I share it here. So if you actually find this video helpful, or any video at all on my channel helpful, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. By doing that, you give me like more reasons to want to make videos and drop videos, and also it increases the visibility for other people to also see it. So this is where I'm going to stop my video for today. Until my next video, do have a lovely day and bye.